Welcome to our iHouse Elite training video on editing your homepage. This video will show you how to add, edit, and remove content on your homepage. To begin, log into your admin menu. From your admin menu, click Edit Website to enter the editing mode. You'll know you're in the editing mode as you'll see this blue editing bar at the top of your screen. To edit the content of your homepage, click Edit this page found in the top right. This will show you the content of your homepage in what's known as widgets, as well as the location that widgets will display. Clicking Edit on a widget will take you to the editing mode of that content, which can vary a bit. For example, clicking Edit on the logo widget will take you to the branding section of your website in the admin menu, as this is where the content is determined for this widget. As another example, you might see a different editing interface if you were to edit a custom content widget. So let's take a look at that next. To create a new custom content widget, first decide where you'd like to place your content on the homepage. Choose a location and then press Add New Content. You'll then see a drop-down menu asking what kind of content you want to add. If you had an existing widget you wanted to add, you could add it at this time, but in this case, we're going to be making new custom content widget. So look for the new content in the drop-down menu and then select Create New Custom Content. We're using this example as it's the most open and broad version of the custom content options, but keep in mind there may be something more relevant to facilitate your idea, so feel free to check the other options here as well. Once you've selected Create New Custom Content, press Add this content to confirm. Next, press Edit, seen here. This will show you the editing interface for custom content. Give your new widget a name. From here, you can choose to add text, images, hyperlinks, and more. There is also the ability to do source editing if desired. When you're done adding content to the widget, click Save this widget. Scroll down to where you've placed it and you'll see the name of your widget. Once a widget is placed, you can easily rearrange their order in a given location by dragging it up and down. If you want to place the widget in a different area entirely, click the red X to remove the widget from this location. But don't worry, this doesn't delete it, it just removes it from this specific location. Choose the new location you want to place your widget, press Add New Content, find your widget from the list, Add, and then press Add this content. When you're done editing your homepage, click the Back to Website link found at the top of your page to view your changes. This will return you to the editing view of your homepage. If you're in the editing mode of your website, you can also hover over these widgets while viewing to quickly edit the specific widget. Just click the Edit option or the Edit arrow icon seen here. From here, you can make your desired changes, press save, and you're all set. That concludes our intro to editing your homepage. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will get you the latest updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. But most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Give our lead service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.